Hey everybody, this is Mr. Grabo. I hope you had a great first week. It was really nice to see some of you guys and just meet you and start to get ready for this year. I'm really excited about it. Some of you I saw in person, some of you I met on Zoom. And if you're in cohort C, make sure that you get to your assigned Zoom time this week. You may not have to stay there the whole time, but I would like you to just check in with me, okay? And we'll cover any questions. We may not stay on the entire time, but I think it'd be good for everybody to at least check in each day, okay? Each day you're assigned. So this week, we're gonna first start with the weekly plan. Here is what we got going on for the week. We're starting the forces in motion unit. So we're kind of getting into the curriculum now. We're going to start taking some notes, doing some activities, doing some homework checks, and rocking right through this. So Monday we got some notes. You want to submit those. Tuesday we got a picture activity. You want to submit that. Wednesday we're working on learning target number 1. If you were in class, you should have taken your learning targets and put them into Notability, so those should be ready to go. Thursday we got some more notes, and then Friday we're doing a homework check quiz where you can use your notes and you can also take it more than once. Okay, so let's just take a look at the notes and how I expect you to do the notes. So I'm going to open up the assignment called Intro to Forces. Okay, so here's my Intro to Forces notes. So in the directions, it's telling me that there's a video, and then there's a notes outline that I need to put into Notability. So I'm going to go ahead and open up that notes outline. And I'm going to send a copy of this to Notability. Okay, I'm going to create a new note. And last week we made folders, so you should have a Forces in Motion folder in your Notability so you can keep your things organized. Go ahead and import that. Okay, here we go. So here's my notes. Remember, when you do the notes, the information will be presented in the video. You fill in the blanks. And then on the right side, this is where you kind of process what you learned in the video. So over here, it says include pictures of and examples of these different types of forces. Make sure you fill that in on the right side as well. Okay, it doesn't say to do that in the video, but that's where we want to kind of do our processing of the information. So any questions on the right side, you do have to answer as well. At the end, you want to do these summary questions, and then you'll submit it. Okay, now when you're doing notes, I'm just going to go back to this. So here's the video. Click on that video. It's a YouTube video. And the video will be of either me or Miss Chumley or Mr. Mahady. We kind of take turns putting the notes together. So this one, I believe, is Miss Chumley, and she'll be talking and going through all the notes, and you just fill in the blanks on your sheet. Now, what's kind of hard is you don't have a worksheet to do this. You got to watch the video, and you got to write your notes using your iPad. So you kind of have to do two things with your iPad. So one thing that would help is if you have a phone, you could watch the video on your phone, and you could fill in the notes as you go on your iPad. Or one thing that works pretty well for people is doing a split screen. So if I grab Notability down at the bottom, I bring it over here to the side, now I can watch the video and I can fill in my notes as well. So that should help you get going. We'll answer any extra questions in class. We'll go over this a little bit more. And just get started and message me with any questions. Okay? So I will see you in class or on Zoom. Take care.